Hey all, Chef Brett here today to teach you how to make a scrumptious creme fraiche baked salmon. I love this dish. It's a super easy dinner to make, only takes 4 minutes if you can believe that, and requires almost no ingredients. So cleanup is super easy. Let's jump right in. First things first, you're gonna need your copper summoning bowl. To start us off, we are going to add a pinch of obsidian salt. Then we are going to add a bundle of gortok root. But first, we need to let it unfurl in a small bowl of lukewarm orphan tears. Okay, now that the tears have activated the roots, we are all set to add them to our copper summoning bowl. Almost there now. The last ingredients we need to add to our summoning bowl are cockatrice bones, jackalope tongue, and just a dollop of stem cells. Now, to initiate the summoning, we need to invoke the Sumero-Akkadian god of light and fire, Nusku, to briefly gift us his sacred flame. All you'll need to do is recite this brief incantation as you picture all of those who have ever caused you harm incinerated in a torrent of fire, screaming for mercy as the flesh drips off their bones.
Omnipotus Nusku sepetindos adesco mana epitos tu misto.
Woo! That's always my favorite part. And, as promised, creme fraiche baked salmon in less than 4 minutes. Doesn't it look mouthwatering? If you think so, be sure to smash that like button, leave a comment, give us a follow, and above all, praise Nusku.